Hello everyone, this is Ashwin Singh. Welcome to our channel CodeCatty. So in this video, we'll see how we can utilize array sum method in our application. So let's move to console and see few of the examples. So yeah, here you can see we are having two array. One contains number and then there is a users array which contains detail of users. Okay, so the first example, what we want to test, we want to check if any of the number is greater than 10, then it will return a boolean value true. Okay, so how we'll do this, like nums dot sum, like this. Then we have to pass the callback like this. Okay, then what we want, we are here, we'll get the particular user, the current user, and here we'll see return user dot, okay, that is actually num, so I'll say num. Then we can say num here also, and num is greater than 10, then we'll return true. So yeah, you can see we got the result as a true because 15 is the number which is greater than 10, so that's why we got it as a true. Then we having a users table, so here we'll write users dot sum, okay, like this, and we'll pass the callback like this. And what we want to check, if any of the user's age is smaller than 30, then we'll return a boolean value true or false. So I'll say user, then we are having user dot age is smaller than 30. So yeah, you can see here there is boolean value true. So that's how you can utilize this method in your application. Okay, now we'll come to a React application and see one of the example using this sum. Okay, so here you can see we are having this user table, and we want to enable this submit button only if one of the row is being selected or one of the user is being selected. Okay, so then how we'll do this, let's move to VS Code. So here you can see we are having a users table. Okay, and inside this user table we are having this method handle select user. If I'll select any user, then it will add a one key called selected at the particular user on the basis of its ID, like this. Okay, let's console this user table one. So here we will see that users table is like this. Okay, there is no selected value right now. If I'll remove this and select, then if I'll open this, then you can see select is coming as true. If I'll remove this again like this and open this, then you can see here we are having selected as false. So we are going to use the same logic. So if and any of the data is inside this users table is selected, then only what do we want to enable the button. Okay, otherwise it will be disabled. So how I'll do this, like say is enabled. Okay, now user, like inside this user table, I'll say user table then sum, then call back like this, and we'll say user as a current value, and we'll check user dot selected like this, and we can say is true if any of the data, like sum is like checking is any of the data is true, then it should be enabled. Okay, but there is no need of writing equals to equals to true because it is already a boolean value, you can see here. Okay, so we'll pass this is enabled button to our button component like this, disabled. So when we want to disable it, if none of them is true, so if that is a false, then only we have to make it disabled. Okay, so like this you can see it is disabled, and if I'll click on this, then you can see it's enabled. If I'll select any of them, if I'll deselect, then it's get disabled again. So that's how we can utilize some method in our application. So if you like the video, then please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.